All right, y'all. So the first thing I do when I'm doing my press-on nails is I'm just measuring each acrylic nail, making sure that it fits each finger. So when doing this step, it's very important to turn your finger to the left and right, how you see me doing right there, because you really want to make sure that it fits all the way. So real quick, y'all, I know I'm finna get off topic a little bit, but I just wanted to take out the time to shout out all of my subscribers, each and every one of y'all. I really do appreciate it. Y'all just don't even know how much that means to me. And just stay tuned. I got some big stuff coming in 2021. We finna turn up. I got a lot of big content, a lot of new content, all the stuff that I'm into, like cooking, hair, like a whole much. I got so much in plan, y'all. Y'all just really gotta stay tuned and subscribe if y'all want to see more. What else? I will be doing a giveaway once my channel reaches 250 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway, so y'all really gotta stay tuned for that. Okay, so yeah, shout out to all my subscribers, and I wish y'all a very, very healthy and fun and lit 2021, because 2020 was trash. Alright, so now that I finally got all of my nails picked out, okay, so what I went ahead and did was just grab my Loctite and I stuck each acrylic nail down to the nail holder, and we just want to get the filing. So when I file my acrylic nails, y'all, I don't do too much, just because the acrylic nails that I get already come pretty much the way I like them. So really all I'm doing is just grabbing the fingernail clipper and I'm just cutting it down first, and then second I take the filer thing, whatever you call that thing, and then I just file each nail to my desired length. All right, y'all, so now we finna get to the fun part, but first we gotta go ahead and apply our base gel to each acrylic nail, and then you'll see me putting it into my UV lamp. I don't apply too much, I just apply enough to get each nail covered. And by the way, y'all, I'm not a nail tech. I'm not a licensed person. This is just, I'm a regular girl who just like to do my nails and hair and everything else at home. And I just wanted to show y'all how I got this look today. So I hope y'all enjoy it and keep on watching. The look that I'm going for today was more like French manicure type vibes. So long story short, you just want to get each nail you want it to have 2 coats. And then when I put it in my UV lamp, I left it in there for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, somewhere in there. I like for my set to be super dry. So yeah, that part. So these are all of my butterflies. They come in a pack. I will be leaving these as well as all the other stuff I used in today's video and in the description box below. But I love it. It comes with so many cute colors. They all glow and they're all pretty. So I will be using like the 2 pinks. I use a combination of them for this style. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is basically put the transfer. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below because I don't know what it's called, but I'm rubbing that on, and basically what that's gonna allow me to do is stick those butterflies on there, and then it's gonna dry, right? So just keep on watching. Alright, so this part is pretty self-explanatory. I literally just grab the butterflies that I want and I just put it where I want. It's literally that simple. And then after I place it where I want it to be, look at that. Look at that. Pretty. Okay, so this part is very crucial. So I'm grabbing the top gel coat, right? Because remember in the Early on in the video, I used the base gel, so this is the top coat. But y'all gonna see what I do right here, if my camera can focus. So what I'm really doing is I'm dropping that glue, that top gel, I'm dropping it right on top of where I placed the butterflies, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna do it again. Hold on. There we go. Come on. Okay, so there you go. You can see how I'm dropping it right over the butterflies. Okay, and this is really important if you want your butterflies to stick. And honestly, this is how I got my butterflies or anything that I put on top of my nails to stick. And then right after you get it on there, spread it out all evenly, then you want to just put it right back into the UV lamp. So that's all I have for y'all today. Thank y'all for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.